Devotees crammed the streets, waving their hand towels and patiently walking under the heat. These are some of the scenes during this year's Traslasyon, or the Grand Procession of the Black Nazarene. The devotees waddled their way through a sea of people as they tried to get a hold of the rope that pulls the andas, or carriage of the Black Nazarene. Even kids and the elderly joined the procession, like 61-year-old Annalie Godinez. She and her friends traveled for hours from Kawit, Cavite to Manila to show their gratitude to the Nazareno.
Nagkaroon ako ng sa ovarian, bukol sa ovarian. Dapat nga operahan ako sa PGH, hindi ako pumunta. Dahil nga tulad nito, nakita ko yung prosesyon, sabi ko, gusto ko makita ko siya, mahawakan ko. Nagdasal ako na sana pagalingin niya ako para makalapit ako sa kanya. Ako nagpapasalamat ako sa kanya na dahil sa akin, pinagaling niya ako.
Raven Muega, a 7-year devotee, called on the Black Nazarene when he was put behind bars because of scamming.
May nagawa akong kasalanan, then kasi hindi inaasahang pagkakataon, nakulong, ganun. Then, nung nakulong ako, doon ako naglumapit sa kanya, nagdasal ako na, Lord, sana patawarin mo ako sa mga nagawa ko, ganun. Bigyan mo pa ako sa pagkakataon, sinusuko ko na yung sarili ko sa'yo, ganun. Patawarin mo, may mga kasalanan ko, tatanggapin ko ng buo.
Some devotees handed out food and water to relieve the thirst and hunger of those walking in the procession for hours.
Pasasalamat namin sa yung kumbaga return lang din po namin yung blessing po namin. Yung blessing na ito, hindi naman natin naanuhin ito eh. Ibig ko sabihin, hindi kailangan natin ng kapalit. Para mas sa atin, mas magaang.
Past noon, the image of the Black Nazarene passed by our Leggy Corner Casal streets. Devotees do not mind the crowded roads just to see the Nazareno. Some of them even climbed up the andas.
In hopes of getting a blessing by wiping their hand towels on the case of the Nazarene, some devotees defied the prohibition against going up to the andas. It has been 3 years since devotees were last seen walking for hours on the roads of Manila for the annual Traslasyon. Since the COVID-19 pandemic, authorities only allowed the resumption of the Traslasyon this year. That's why devotees were very eager to be on the streets and show their faith. The Traslasyon drew at least 6 million devotees. The National Police says the celebration has been generally peaceful. Denise Fernandez, CNN Philippines.